Hey Crafty Queens, welcome back to Felicia the Crafty Queen. Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so you never miss a new crafty tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you through step-by-step tutorial on how to sublimate on a 20-ounce tumbler using HTVRont auto press sublimation paper and a sublimation printer. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and anyone looking to get started. So grab your supplies, get comfortable, and let's get crafty. So today you're gonna need heat tape, sublimation paper. This is a sub. I got this off of Amazon. I usually use Crafty Bestie paper, but since I'm out, I had to go to my old trusty A-Sub paper from Amazon. You're going to need your image, a tumbler. This is the tumbler we're working with. And I'm going to try these clamps to hold the paper in place. And you need a sublimation printer. I have the Workforce 7720, which I converted into sublimation. So that's how we're going to get started today. So let's get started. Let's go over to our Canva and let's get this part started. To custom size. And the size we're going to use is 9.323 by 8.3 inches. So since I have already did, I'm just going to open it up for you guys so that way y'all can see it. And also I'm going to find an image. It's whatever image you want to do. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. You're going to put it at the corner. Do not do this because it's going to bring out the proportions. So you see if you do this, no. You go back. And we're just going to bring it to the sides like this. Well, then I might have to do that. No, I won't, because I know Felicia. Boom. Don't worry about that. Because you don't want it to go out of proportion. So this is the image this is the image we're going to use. If you want this image, please let me know. I can tell you I got this off of PixArt. That's where I got this image from, PixArt. You're going to go over here to our button, hit share, and you're going to hit download. Make sure you hit the transparent background because you don't want the white behind it. And then I'm just going to bring it up here and I'm just going to increase the quality so it'll bring out that color, make them pop. Then we're going to hit download. Hold on. And then I'm going to bring this over here. This is what the image is. I downloaded it and we're going to go over to our file and I'm going to hit print. I'm using my sublimation printer, Workforce 7720 series. Going over here and I'm going to go to 8.5. I'm just going to use the borderless and I'm going to print it. And I'm going to print it. And you're going to go to layout and you're going to always go over to flip because I forgot to flip it in Canva, but you can't flip it with your printer, your sublimation printer. So I forgot to flip it in Canva. So we're going to print this and I'll meet y'all back at the video. Please forgive me because I did a video with a different image and my video did not come out like I wanted to. It did not work. So please forgive me if you happen to see a different image. Like, that ain't what I saw it first, but please forgive me. This is the image. All right, meet y'all back at my camera. Sorry about that. I don't know when my video started recording it, but this is the image. And this is the tumbler. Make sure you clean the tumbler with alcohol and with a coffee cup filter. Also, the reason why you want to clean it is because of oil and lotion on your fingertip. I will not sublimate on this because of the video that I was going to post that it didn't record my voice. So hopefully it records my voice this time. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our little image right here and you just want to make sure it's like in the middle of it. And you want to fold it like this and bring it over like this way, like this. And I'm going to use these little clamps to hold the paper in place to make it easy for me to tape it. I will not sublimate on this cup. I'm just going to show y'all how I did this. You're just going to do it like this. Okay. And I have these little bands that came with it. And I'll put everything that I use in this video in the link in the description down below. So that's how you want to do it. See how tight it is? You can't do nothing. And what you're going to do is get your tape. And you're just going to tape it. I'm just taping this for the sake of this video so I can show you how I did this. Tape it. And you can put how much tape you want on here. I'm just showing y'all how I tape my tumbler. I'm not going to put a lot on here because I'm not going to sublimate on this tumbler. I'm just showing y'all for the sake of this video. So that's how you would do it. See, it have the little band clamps and the bands, and I will put this in the description down below. Let me move my heat tape out the way. I'm going to lay this to the side, and I'm going to bring over my HTVRont auto press, and this is my heat glove. And what we're going to do is turn it on. Duh, Felicia. And where we want our temperature to be is 385 at 65 seconds. And while this light is flashing red, we're going to wait till it heat up, and when it heat up, it will turn green. I'm not going to put the tumbler in there. I'm just showing y'all the temp it will be, which is 385 degrees for 60 seconds. I'm just going to show you that I'm going to turn it off. I'm not going to sublimate. I'm going to show you the cup that I did sublimate on, but I'm just showing y'all this for the sake of this video. See, we're at 185, but it has to be at 385 for 65 seconds. If you hear me smacking, I'm drinking my smoothie. This thing takes forever to heat up. Well, it's almost there. I'm just going to show y'all. And then I'm just going to play like I'm pressing something so y'all can see when it closes and when it, you know. It's heating up slowly but surely. Make sure you have heat gloves. Oops. Heat resistant gloves because you're going to need it. When I say it does come with gloves, it comes with heat tape. Yeah, it does come with that. So if you want to get this off of Amazon, you can get this because I got it when it had a sale. Woo! Date. I think I paid like maybe $100 something. I'm thinking. And you can also do mugs. Probably on my next video, I'll probably show you how to sublimate on 2 mugs at one time. Because you can do 2 in here. So we're almost there to the finish line. Almost in the finish line, finish line. Almost to the finish line, finish line. Almost to the finish line, finish line. Sorry. This a little bit too excited. Just did it while I was wrapping my thing. Need to get my nail done. Paint a little raggedy, but it's okay. It is what it is, Chad. See, as you can see, it turned green. And when you put your cups in there, whatever, you just hit that. And it will just close and it will just start the countdown, which is nothing in there, but I was just showing y'all how to do that. Let me turn it off. So let me move this out of my way. Make sure I don't touch it because it's hot. I'm going to picking it up like I'm a heat woman. So this is the image. This is what I created yesterday. So this was the image I did. And here is the tumbler that came out of it. This is the tumbler. It's a created with a purpose. So I'm going to do this. Anyone that goes to my website and subscribe or purchase anything, it don't have to be nothing extravagant or anything. I will put your name in a raffle, and whoever, I'll do like a big wheel, and I will send you this cup myself on me. So if you subscribe to my, this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to do a giveaway. If you subscribe to my channel, comment, check out my website, subscribe to my website, either one of those, or purchase something, I will put your name in a raffle to be drawn to win this cup. I created this on yesterday, and as you can tell, these colors are popping. So yeah. So if you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the description down below. And on tomorrow, I'm going to show y'all how to make magnetic bookmarks with the backing for like if you have a business or something. So these are some I have already made, which is magnetic bookmarks. So I'm going to show you how to do that on my next video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Until next time, y'all have an amazing day. Be blessed.